Hello everyone. In this lecture series, we are going to see the HBase components and other basic concepts behind the HBase. So this is a region server. In the previous lecture video, we can see in the how the region server failures happens, how the another region server acts as to compensate that failure region server. In the master, we have the three major things. In the screen we can able to see region server master is responsibility for coordinating all the slaves, assigning regions, detect failures and admin functions. So here the HBase components, we have the three components, mainly region server and master. So next we can have the HBase futures, the no real indexes. The basic thing is automatic partition. As the tables grow, it will be automatically split into regions. So here we can able to see how the scalable linearly and with the new nodes we can have. So with the help of these kind of fault tolerance and commodity hardware in the batch processing, these are the futures we are talking about the HBase. So in the HBase futures there are no real indexes. Then batch processing, map reduction, we are already the previous lecture series we can see the map reduce process. In this we can have the integration allows a fully parallel distributed jobs against your data with the locality awareness. So this is about the HBase future. We have the fault tolerance, commodity hardware, and it will automatically with the scale linearly, and automatically with the new nodes it will be detect the failures. So these are some futures about the HBase. Comparing the HBase with databases, normal database have row oriented, it is a column oriented. We are talking about the comparison between HBase and database. It's a fixed schema, it is a flexible schema. Then other not optimized for sparse tables, it will be good with sparse table. The narrow tables for database, HBase wide tables. So optimized for joins, it is joined using MR, not optimized. It is a transactions for the database, and then no transactions for comparison. Good for both semi-structured and structured data. Good for structured data. So this is a major comparison between the HBase and databases. And then HBase operations, in this HBase operations we have based on row keys. The single row operations, put, get and scan is a single row operations. And the row operations have scan, multi-put. There is no built-in joins. Use map reduce things, we have HBase operations. So that is the thing. This is a HBase operation we are talking about here. The put and get scan is this kind of single rows operations. Generally we can have in the previous slide we can see the comparison. So which one is good for both semi-structured and structured data or HBase? The previous databases are only good for the structured data. Data should be in the described row and column, not we can the data of video or other music data and other unstructured form of data cannot be used in the normal database. In the HBase we can use both semi-structured and structured data. We can be easily taken here. In this the operations we can have multi-row operations and no built-in. Use map reduce. We already discussed the map reduce. The huge volume of algorithm can be splitted into a different A, B, up to n number of subparts, and then solving that problem, and again reduced into clumping into the single solution. So big solution can be split into a single small part of partitions, solving each partition and clubbing into the entire solution into a single unit. So that we call method we call as map reduce. We are discussed in the previous lecture series. It can be used in the HBase operations for successful analyzing of the huge volume of data. So this is about the HBase operation we have discussed here in this lecture series. So we can stop from here. We have discussed what are the HBase operations, how it will use for the Apache HBase for the accessing or performing a large volume of data, analyzing large volume of data in the big data analytics. we can learn some few concepts about the HBase operations and other comparison features and other components present in the HBase. Thanks for this video. Thanks for watching this video. We can learn some other next concepts in the HBase. Continue to the concepts in the next lecture series videos. Until then, thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.